How to verify work email on LinkedIn. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can get the verification from your work email and get the verified badge on LinkedIn. The first thing you have to do is you just open up your web browser, go to the search bar, and then search for linkedin.com. Now, just make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So what I'm going to do now is head over to my profile. You can either directly click on your profile at the left side of your screen or go to the Me section and then click on View Profile. Now, once you get here, you'll have this option called Add Verification Badge. Just click on this. And once you've done that, what you'll have to do is just use your mobile to verify, but you can also learn more about how the membership verification works. And you could also use your work email to verify your LinkedIn account. So what I'm going to do now is just go down and then click on this option where it says Resources, Enhance Profile, and Add Profile Selection. I'm going to click on this edit button. Here I'm able to add different emails. So let me just scroll down, click on edit contact info. And here you have your default email, but if you want to add an email of your work, what you can do is just go to the verify section, and then here you're just going to have to click on this how membership verify their information. You'll get to this tab. So what you can do is you can verify with your identity, workplace, or educational institution. So if you click on verify now, you'll be redirected to another page. Now you can verify with a persona by identifying yourself, like a government ID. If you click on not now, nothing happens, but if you click on verify with persona, you're just going to have to upload any kind of legal ID here to prove that it's really you. And you should be able to follow the on-screen prompts and verify your account easily. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.